More speedy fit height course. Do you want to grow taller? It is possible to increase height. If you want to grow taller, you are feeling depressed or having emotional problem related to delays in growth, career sort, height and posture development, there is now a solution to increase your height. Did you know that you can manipulate your growth regardless of genetics and what others have say? More Speedy Fit Height course has created the first most effective growing taller product. More Speedy Fit Height course is the first and the most effective height increasing supplement to naturally help you grow taller and enhance natural abilities. More Speedy Fit Height course have been scientifically proven as an effective way of enhancing an adult's height after the growth process has been completed. Our body height increase a very complex machine. We have many systems which control our functions. One such system height increase our gland system or endocrine system. A more speedy fit height course will boost your natural growth by improving your HGH level and by regenerating your cartilages, discs and bones. More Speedy Fit Height course height booster to help your body to grow taller much more faster, and also will improve your overall posture. Within the few months you will start notice changes such as posture improvement and height improvement. More Speedy Fit Height course price is $8,800. Use it 9 to 12 months to get your desired height.
Welcome to Dwakhana. Dear patient, this is for your kind information. If you want to contact or call to Dwakhana, our call time is 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Friday off. Hakeem and Dr. Tariq Mahmood Taysir, Consultant Sexologist Alternative Medicine, Specialist Expert Male and Female, Infertility Chairman Taysir Patient Welfare Society. In case of any emergency, you can contact directly to Dr. Tariq Mahmood Taysir, 0334-955-2889, 0300-955-2889, 0321-955-2889. You can contact to Taysir Medical Board, Hakeems and Lady Doctors, or consultation about the old complicated and hidden sexual problems, male and female infertility, and all general diseases. Our contact numbers are given below: 0333-5501390, 0323-5501390. For free consultation, erection stiffness duration, erectile dysfunction, loose erection. Please contact on these numbers: 0332-5607654, 0331-5607654, for free consultation. Regarding penis enlargement treatment, bent penis, curvature penis, small penis, please contact on these numbers: 0337-7007101, 0332-7007101. Email consultation: women health issues, Lecorhea periods problem, small breast, male and female infertility, and all general height, weight, lose weight gain. Please contact on these numbers: 0336-5777696 or female consultation. Women health issues height lecorhia. Periods problems small breast size pregnancy. Male and female infertility all general diseases. Please contact on these numbers. 0336-5777697, 0332-15000540. In case of any emergency, you can contact directly to Dr. Tariq Mahmood Taseer. 0332-15000548, 0332-15000549. Address: Taseer Dawakana and Taseer Herbal Pharma I-111, Iqbal Road attached Punjab Bank, near Comedy Chowk Rawalpindi, Pakistan. Websites: www.taseerdawakana.com, www.taseerlabs.com, www.drtariqtaseer.com, www.taseerlab.com, www.taseerherbalpharma.com.